I have a trick for drying clothes quickly in winter, and it keeps my home free of excess moisture. When I need to wear wet clothes, I use the Burrito Method. When hanging wet clothes on a drying rack, I pay attention to one crucial detail that most people overlook. Clothes should be spaced out to allow free airflow between them. This significantly speeds up the drying process. If I need a freshly washed item dried quickly, I use the Burrito Method. Lay a wet shirt on a towel, roll it up tightly, and press firmly from the center outward to absorb moisture. As shown in the video, leave the rolled towel for a few minutes, then unroll it. Next, I iron the shirt, starting on the inside and, if the fabric allows, on the outside. This helps evaporate the last traces of water. For collars or thick seams, I use a hairdryer for extra drying. By combining these three methods, my clothes are dry in less than 20 minutes, and I don't need a tumble dryer at home.